Columns and pillars in warehouses can be easily damaged by impacts from forklifts, potentially undermining the structural integrity of that building. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. Now, companies can protect this vital infrastructure with the FlexiShield column guard from A-Safe. The modular system fits any square or rectangular universal column, locking together to form a single structure that dissipates the energy of any impact. And impact-resisting chevron and rectangular indents in the structure ensure that there are no flat surface areas that might be susceptible to fork penetration. The FlexiShield column guard range comes as standard in high visibility yellow polyethylene, adding a further visual safety aspect to that design. Now you can find out more, you should, by ringing A-Safe on 02 9625 8927 or the website, which is all the W's, asafe.com. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.